Okay, so completed the construction of radial follower.
Done, sir.
Okay, so it is your solution. Okay, for a radial knife edge follower. Okay, radial knife edge follower. But second case, you can see in second case it is a knife edge follower, but it is offset by 20 mm from the axis of the cam. Means in this follower, the follower axis is not passing through the center of the cam, but it is a little bit away from the center of the cam. And how much is that distance? That distance is 20 mm. That distance is 20 mm. Okay, so in such kind of arrangement, what we do, we just like the earlier case, we draw a base circle whose radius is 50 mm. After that, we draw another circle which is known as offset circle, which is known as offset circle. So offset circle का radius जो है, that will be equal to 20 mm, equal to the offset distance. Okay, so what I will do, after drawing this 50 mm circle, after drawing this 50 mm circle, I will draw the another circle. I will draw another circle whose radius will be 20 mm, equal to the offset distance 20 mm. And now I will locate the follower. So follower will be located, you have to locate it like this. So at from this point, positive x-axis, you draw a line like this, and here you can show the position of follower. That follower axis is not passing through the center of cam, but it is offset by 20 mm. In case of the offset follower, this will be the change in construction. Okay, are you getting this point? And again you can see that the follower axis does not pass through the center of cam. So in each and every position, it will not pass through the center of cam. You can see here that here these lines are radial lines. All the lines are passing through the center of cam. But in this case, all the lines will not pass through the center of the cam, but these lines will be tangent to the offset circle. These lines will be tangent to the offset circle. So as we start it, first you draw base circle and then you draw the offset circle whose radius will be 20. Okay, don't show this line because the follower line will not pass through the center of cam. We will have to change it. Same data, knife edge follower, base circle of 50 radius, same angle of rise, dual, return, but only that it is a offset follower who is offset by 20 which is offset by 20 So you draw it, then I will explain you further.
Done, sir.
Okay. So see, in offset circle, what you do, uh, from this point, okay, you will draw a line in y direction this way, and where this will cut the base circle, there you will have the position of follower. So this arrow will shift here at this point. This is our initial position of the follower, which we label as 0. Correct. Now what you have to do, okay, you have to join this point O with the center of cam. This point O with the center of cam. It will look like this. And now from this point, this line, say line O1O, you have to start measuring the angle. यहाँ से आपको angles measure करना है. So which is the first angle in our case? Angle of rise. Angle of rise कितना है? Angle
60
of rise
degrees.
is 60 degree. So here, uh, from this line, you will measure angle of rise 60 degree. तो कहाँ तक आ जाएगा वो? Say suppose somewhere here it will be. ये हो गया आपका angle of rise 60 degree. First angle. Second angle कितना है? That is the first dual period. First dual period is your 30 degree. 30 degree का है. तो आपको क्या करना है? ये लाइन से आगे 30 डिग्री मेजर करना है. ठीक है. सो ये हो गया आपका 30 डिग्री. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट एंगल इज एंगल ऑफ रिटर्न. which is again 60 degree, if you remember. Okay, so again I will mark the next angle here, angle of return as 60 degree. Now next, same construction you have to do, that you have to divide the angle of rise theta 0 into 6 equal parts. So as it is 60 degree, each part will be your, say, 10 degree, right? 30, 40, 50. This line will not come there. Okay, ये line आपको draw नहीं करना है. So here you will mark it 0.1, here you will mark it 0.2, 0.3, then 0.4, here you will mark it 0.5, and here it is 0.6. Similarly, angle of return should also be divided into 6 parts. So this 6 point I will carry it forward, same 6. Then I will divide it into 6 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You will draw it with measurements. Okay, this line may not be at this point. It may happen. Here it is 7, 8. Okay. Then at this point it is 9, 10, 11, and 12. Okay, so this division you understand, marking of angles you understand, that now the position has changed. First, the position we started was right above the center of cam. यहाँ से start किया था angle measurement, but because of offset follower we are starting it from here. It is the first change in the procedure. Okay, next what you have to do, so I will tell you the procedure. Next what you have to do. Okay, now first we drawn the radial lines. Radial lines means those lines were going to the center of the cam. But here you can see the first line, first follower axis is tangent to the offset circle. Therefore, from each and every point you will draw a line which is tangent to the circle. Okay, for example, from point 1, you will not join to the O1. Instead, line from point 1, it will be tangent to the offset circle. I have drawn it little bit. See, this line is tangent to the offset circle. आप tangent draw करना. Similarly, from point 2, you draw a line which is tangent to this circle. Okay, from point 3, again the line should be tangent, means it should touch the circle at one point only. That is the meaning of tangent. Okay, it will go like this. So you have to do it from like every point. From 5 also it should be tangent. Then from 6 also it should be tangent. From this 6 also. Sorry for that. This is the 9. Then from 10 it will go this way. From 11 it will go that way. And this is 12. Are you getting? So we did not draw the radial lines. We draw the lines which are tangent to the offset circle. Okay. So you complete up to this, and later on the procedure is same. What is the procedure? Now you will transfer the distance at 0. So at 0 point there is no distance. At point 1 there is some distance 1 1 dash. So you will do it from displacement diagram. Then at 2. So here it will be 2 dash. Then you will mark 3 dash. So this 3 dash distance is taken from the displacement diagram. Then 4 dash, 5 dash, then 6 dash. Here also 6 dash. And you will mark like this 7 dash, 8 dash, 9 dash. And after that you have to follow the same procedure. How you will draw it? The cam profile. Cam profile will be the curve which will be passing through it, starting from 0 point. Starting from 0 point, you will draw it like this. Okay. Then from this 6 dash to this 6 dash, radius is constant. So you can use the compass for that. And in return stroke, you know that it comes back to original position. So your curve will be looking like this. And later on, you can draw this curve with the help of compass as it is a circle. So it will be the construction in case of offset follower. What are the changes are there as compared to the radial follower? That here one more circle you draw, which is known as offset circle. Then you set the follower, okay, such that its axis is tangent to the offset circle from this point. Then you join the follower initial position point 0 with O1 by this line. By this line, and you measure the angles from this line, not from the vertical line. So angle of rise is measured. First dual period is measured. Then angle of return is measured from here. Then angle of rise and angle of return are divided. So they are divided. Just points are marked. Points are marked only. You don't need to draw the radial lines to divide them. After marking this point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, okay, from these points again tangents are drawn, not the radial lines, not the lines which are passing through the center of cam, but the lines which are tangent to the offset circle, like this. And on these tangent lines, you have to transfer the distance 1 1 dash, 2 2 dash, 3 3 dash, 4 4 dash from the displacement diagram. And once you obtain all these points, you have to just join them with the help of a smooth curve, okay, and using compass whenever there is a chance, you use that. Then your cam profile is ready. It is your cam profile. This is which is shown in red line. So are you getting this? Okay. So try to do it. Do you have the any soft copy of any book with you, Tom ka?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you can find the construction there also. I will also upload these videos on the same link which I have shared with you earlier. So you can again access the lectures. Okay. So we'll stop here
Okay,
and
sir.
we will see the next part in the next lecture. Okay. Any doubt if anyone have, please ask. There is chat. Why did you put attendance in chat box? Did you put earlier session?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so in earlier session, if you have put, then no problem. Okay. Then if you have doubt, you can ask. Otherwise, you can leave.
So what would be the circle around it?
We circle around it. Just a
मतलब
sec.
this going, 60 degrees बढ़ रहा है, then 30 degrees equal है, and then वो circle को ही follow करेगा.
This one, yes. This one,
Yes, sir.
yes. It will
Yes,
be
sir.
on the same circle of radius 50 mm.
Okay, sir.
As radius is constant here during this period, it is a dual period. In dual period, follower neither rises nor lowers. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So I will stop sharing now.